I went to your house. I walked up the stairs and I opened your door without ringing the bell. Walked down the hall into your room where I could smell you, and I shouldn't be here without permission. I shouldn't be here, but you forgive me, love. If I danced in your shower, would you forgive me, love? If I laid in your bed, would you forgive me, love? If I stay all afternoon, love? I took off my clothes, put on your robe, and went through your drawers and I found your cologne. Went out to den, found your CDs, and I play your Johnny, and I said I stay alone. I might be on soon. I said I stay alone. Would you forgive me, love, if I dance in your shower? Would you forgive me, love, if I lay in your bed? Would you forgive me, love, if I stay all afternoon, love? I'm burn your incense, I run a bath, and I notice later the set on your desk. It said, hello, love, I love you so, love. Meet me at midnight. I know it wasn't my right. I better go soon. It wasn't my right. So forgive me, love, if I cried in your shower. So forgive me, love, for the salt in your bed. So forgive me, love, if I cry all afternoon.